Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Now I have to do something with the light on the Lexus RX400 hybrid. There's a lot of things you have to paint up the front here, of course, later, but the light is xenon light on this car, and it's the car with the worst light of all the cars I have. Very bad. Of course, the bulb maybe start to go out. I'm not sure how the xenon is working like that, but it's not looking nice. And you see it's very yellowy on the top here. But I think the xenon is in here, so it shouldn't be that bad because of that. But I have polishing things. Been using Bildilla I've been using this one before, Bildilla polishing, so we can try. Now I have masked off the whole area around, so then we're going to use the machine. I have bought many different types. Last time I used this, that's supposed to be one of the hardest. Then we have polishing cream. And we have thing to put on after to seal it. So just put on some cream. Then we can start to see this camera here. Then we see this one is much clearer compared to this grayish one, yellowish. But it's not that much that it should kill off the light from the xenon. So I'm thinking after I've done this and just see how this works, I maybe have to get some xenon bulbs for this car. I can get some for a cheap price at Bildilla, and they have it with bluish light and yellowish light. What do you guys think? The light so is in here now is very blue on the close lights, the near lights, what do you call it in English? Normal driving lights. But on the long lights, the stronger lights, is very yellow again. So I'm thinking maybe I would like to have them yellow. But of course bluish is more what people believe it's supposed to be. Yeah, we have to see. I just have to go on and polish more and we come back. Yeah. Now I changed to a black pad here from the orange. The black is supposed to be softer. The orange one is, I'm not sure. And this one was drier also. So try to clean up the back end. Then we have two cloth. Last time I don't remember which one I was using to put on the seal. Because now I put on polish and now I put on sealer. First, just dry it off. Since I use that one to dry off, I just put on the sealer with another cloth. Yeah, this side. Yeah. Now I have put on one more time the sealant, so it's 2 times with that one too. Yeah, there. It's looking much nicer. It looks okay, not perfect, but okay. I start to put my things together in system in different bags. The here is more or less light polishing, small sandpaper if I need that. I bought different set, also some manual set and machine sets. This you can buy very cheap at AliExpress and things. Most Bildilla things are not too expensive. The rag was coming with the Bildilla and had one from before, so it's yeah, just cheap tools for just fixing up a little. But since when I start looking very strictly at this light now, can't understand that it can be the light is a big problem. I think it's the bulb. So I think it's going to have to go and buy some bulb one day and change them. Because I need some better light than what this was showing. Yeah, thank you for coming by. I have many videos about the RX400s. I have polished light on many different cars. I have many other cars. I have 760 videos or something. So it's a lot to come by. And it's going to be a lot more about the RX400s, since it's one here and one in the garage. So I have to service them, paint up. Yeah, and I fixed a lot already on this car, so battery problems, hybrid getting in water, and a lot of things that you have to think about. Yeah, please put a like on the video. Please put a comment and start subscribing to the channel, would help me a lot. Thank you.